A one-day awareness program was organized at TIT under the initiative of Central Bureau of Communication, Agartala branch, in collaboration with Chief Electoral Officer, Tripura, for participation of every citizen in voting. Additional CEO Subhashish Banerjee, TIT Principal Vijay Kumar Upadhyay, Dean Junu Devarma, and CBC Agartala Branch Officer Sudipta Kar were present. A quiz on India and general election was organized among the students on the occasion. The presence of students was noticeable throughout the event.
Systematic voters' education and electoral participation. What does it actually mean? Even before going to the details, what Election Commission is mandated by Article 324. Article 324 of the Indian Constitution has given power and responsibility both, that for preparation of electoral roll with the names of eligible voters, you have to prepare electoral roll, and on the basis of purified electoral roll, you will have to conduct election.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.